Indigenous and Aborigine people, we live according to something called animism. Animism is, well, in the Western world, we're taught that there's animate and inanimate, living and non-living. Animism perceives, understands, or believes that there is no non-living. It all lives. Everything. Everything in this room is alive. But then we take it another level. It's not only living, it's intelligent. It's not only intelligent, it feels, it thinks, it knows. Because it is only part of that which is and always has been. We don't believe that there's literally any time of creation, nor will there be literally any time of destruction. It's all cyclic. It's all cyclic. And so because of that, we're at peace. We have an inner sense of peace and unity with everything. There's no death. There's only change. There's no birth. There's only change. Now, I use physics to try to explain this to the Western world. And there I use the first law of thermodynamics, which says that matter or energy can never be created or destroyed, but only transformed. E equals mc squared. All matter is energy, and all energy is matter. And if neither can be created or destroyed, but only transformed, then when does it cease to be? When did it ever begin to be?